Students, how are you? May Allah bless you all. Students, this is week 4 and it's English word for grade 6 from Reading Circle. The topic is sky, sea and shore. As you know students that the three words are starting from S. What's the mystery behind this? We will discuss it later. First of all, we see that James Reeves is the writer of this poem and he was a British writer. Students, he taught English in different schools, but due to poor sight, he paid attention towards his writing. He was a critic, he was playwright, but he was famous for his children's poetry. And he elected as a fellow of Royal Society of Literature in 1976. Okay, before starting this poem, I want to ask you that have you ever been to see the shore? अगर आप कभी सी पर गए हो तो please explain and write at least 10 things which you saw there. जो भी आपने सी पर देखा हो उसमें से एटलीस्ट 10 थिंग्स को 10 चीज़ों को आप ज़रूर नोट डाउन कीजिएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट्स द टॉपिक ऑफ द पोएम? व्हाट्स द थीम ऑफ द पोएम? द थीम ऑफ द पोएम is the beauty of sea. As we know that the word stars in a frosty sky, the first line of the poem shows that it's night time and the water is very cold, but the movement of water is very slow because the shells are washed by stream water and they shine. And where are the shells? As you know कि समुंदर के पास जो मैडो होती है वहाँ पर शेल्स होते हैं और जब समुंदर की एक टाइड आती है, लहर आती है, तो वो उन शेल्स को वॉश कर देती है. As you know students, the presence of living creature and human beings near sea always cause pollution. And this is the theme of the poem. So you will read it at home and you will search all its difficult meaning in dictionary. Let's see what's the amazing thing in this poem. Students, to make it beautiful, poet is using alliteration. What is alliteration? बेटा alliteration वो चीज़ होती है जिसमें सेम साउंड के जो वर्ड्स होते हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स के वो रिपीट होते हैं. यानी कि सेम साउंड वर्ड, ऐसे वर्ड्स जो लेटर एक से ही स्टार्ट हो लेकिन वो कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर्स हों, वोवल्स लेटर ना हो. तो कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर से जो वर्ड स्टार्ट होते हैं वो रिपीट हों, उन्हें हम कहते हैं एलिट्रेशन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्लावर्स, फ्रूट, फिश, एक ही लाइन में अगर ये वर्ड्स इस्तेमाल होंगे हम इन्हें एलिट्रेशन कहेंगे. और एलिट्रेशन जो होती है वो हम टंग ट्विस्टर में भी यूज़ करते हैं. So poet is using this term to draw the attention of reader towards the poem and the beauty of nature. For example, you will see the title of the poem Sky, Sea, Shore. It's starting from the S letter and it is repeated. So it's alliteration. Another example, seagull, swallow, swan. It's also alliteration because S is using here again and again. But students see snake and smoke. Though this is alliteration, but it is not adding the beauty of nature. So students, all the question answers and all exercise work is available on your app. You can see from there. You will enjoy this poem when you will read it. Okay. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.